Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle. So I know everyone is feeling kind of under the weather right now, and that includes me as well. In fact, I was tested COVID-19 positive on 23rd April, and don't worry about me, I fought the flu and I am fine. But I really wanted to come here and talk about that how I am maintaining my mental health, my sanity in this, very dark time. We are all in the same boat. I know this video is totally off the topic of the content that I produce on my channel, but I really wanted to make this video because all these tips have been helping me a lot in these times. So I thought of making a video on this topic so that it might help a few of you as well. So, starting on, the first tip that I would highly recommend is to just stay away from the news. News is particularly, I don't know, it just informs you about all the negative aspects which are happening in the society, and I am not really fond of it. Neither your brain is. So I would just recommend you to stay away from news. Um, if you want a particular information about something, you can definitely Google it or search it on YouTube. And if you're helping people finding leads about certain things through your social media, well, I am really proud of you. And I just want to say that karma will return you. My second tip would be divert your mind, indulge in a hobby, like for just 1 hour in a day, like gardening, cooking, whatever you like, singing, or something you wanted to learn from a really long time, but divert your mind into something which gives you peace and happiness. My third tip would be, if you like to binge watch something, please binge watch something which is very light-hearted, humor, comedy, nothing which is too much onto your brain, like emotionally overwhelming. So I prefer to watch comedy, chill scenes, kind of like Friends, How I Met Your Mother, or other series which are very fun and they're light-hearted. Because what happens is that visual content also affects your brain. So be aware of the hormones that it releases when you're watching what content you are consuming online. Fourth tip being, spend time in nature. I cannot insist you enough that how much peace you will get when you start spending time in nature, and plus you will get a lot of oxygen as well. Fifth being coloring books. This just personally works out so well for me. Coloring books are so therapeutic and they just release all your emotions, stress, anxiety, and it's such a leisure activity which you don't have to put much thought into to start doing. I would definitely recommend you buy some coloring books off Amazon if Amazon is delivering, or you can find free printables online as well for coloring, or you can create your own as well. If you want some printables, you can go on my website. They are free. You can definitely check out some printables on idledoodle.net as well. Sixth being reading. Now, I am a law student, so in my academics, already have a lot of reading to do. So, that is not my personal favorite because I do a reading of a lot of legal stuff. But if you are into reading, you can definitely read some books in this time. And my personal favorite are self help books, so that helps a lot. Seventh tip, the last but not the least, connect with your loved ones. everyone is in the same boat and everyone feels lonely. So call your grandparents, call your friends, keep a near check of people. What are they up to? What's happening in their life? Are they not feeling alone? Because I know this can be a really lonely time, but technology helps a lot. Call your friends. We generally have group calls. I and my friends connect on video calls and we play games online like Pictionary, Ludo, and Scrabble, Uno. There are a lot of games you can connect on. So that really helps. It just reconnects you and you don't feel like fear of missing out, of not being social with your friends and totally disconnected. Leave a message to your loved ones that how are they doing, how everyone is doing in their family. So you have a bit of information that what is happening with your loved one. I hope this video helped you a lot. I know this video is totally off topic what I create on my channel, but I really needed you to know all these tips which are helping me, so that it can help you too as well. I hope this video helped you. If you have lost someone in your family, I am really sorry, and I just don't know what to say to you. I feel really sorry for your loss, and hold on tight, have hope. I know this is a very bad flu, and I have been through it, so I know how it feels. But have hope and hold on tight. You will be just fine. Everyone is in the same boat right now. Till then, take care, everyone.